Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use the medical ID feature on your iPhone. First, open the Health app. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then choose Medical ID. If it's your first time, tap Get Started. Enter your important details such as name, date of birth, and primary language. When you're done, tap Done to save. Next, scroll to Emergency Contacts. Tap Add, then tap Add Emergency Contact. Select someone from your contacts and set their relationship to you, like spouse or friend. Then, tap Done. Be sure to turn on Show When Locked. This allows emergency responders to view your medical ID directly from your lock screen. Now, your medical ID is ready. In an emergency, it can be accessed by swiping up on the lock screen, tapping Emergency, and then Medical ID. And that's it. You've successfully set up your medical ID on iPhone. Thank you for watching.